Did you miss the property tax exemption application deadline? Have you been wondering if you missed the property tax exemption application deadline? This is an important question, especially if you want to save money on your property taxes. Let's break down what you need to know. Property tax exemptions can significantly lower your tax bill by reducing the taxable value of your property. Common exemptions include those for seniors, veterans, persons with disabilities, agricultural use, and homestead exemptions for primary residences. Each type of exemption has its own application deadline, which is the last date to submit your paperwork for that tax year. In many areas, especially in New York State, the deadline for most exemptions is March 1. This includes senior citizens, veterans, agricultural, persons with disabilities, and school tax relief exemptions. However, some municipalities may have different deadlines, so it is essential to check with your local assessor's office or municipal website for the exact dates. For instance, if you are in Philadelphia, the homestead exemption has a deadline of December 1 each year. It is recommended to file early, ideally by October 1, to ensure your application is processed on time. Now, what happens if you miss the deadline? Some municipalities may allow late filings under certain circumstances, such as hardship situations or for renewing existing exemptions. It is best to contact your assessor's office directly to find out if late applications are accepted in your area. In specific cases, like seniors who purchase property after the deadline, you may be able to apply within 30 days of your purchase. The assessor will then determine if you would have qualified as of the original deadline. If you miss the deadline and do not qualify for any late filing options, you will generally have to wait until the next application cycle to apply. To avoid missing deadlines in the future, take some practical steps. First, contact your local assessor or tax office immediately to confirm deadlines and ask about late filing policies. Keep documentation ready to support any claims for hardship if you seek late exemption consideration. Additionally, monitor your property tax assessment notices and exemption status every year to stay informed. Understanding terms like taxable status date and tentative assessment roll can also help. The taxable status date is when property ownership and condition are assessed for tax purposes, often March 1. The tentative assessment roll is a public list of property assessments published around May 1, allowing owners to review and appeal assessments. In summary, if you miss the property tax exemption application deadline, it usually means you cannot receive that exemption for the current tax year unless your municipality offers a late filing option. Always verify deadlines with your local tax office and apply on time to benefit from available exemptions.